I am Vahanita from class and welcome to the Airtel Innovation Mission. These are my teammates Vaishnavi from 8th class and Uma Mahesh from 9th class. This is our project rain detector sensor. Unexpected rains causes losses and damages for farmers in the agriculture field. During drying the harvest and for domestic purposes also. If it rains, we find water everywhere. The clothes will become wet. To avoid this problem, we prepared this raindrop detector. Here is a simple and reliable circuit of the rainwater detector. It can constructed at low cost. In this project, we have designed a simple rain alarm circuit which detecting on rain will activate a buzzer. Based on the buzzer, we take the necessary actions. Materials required: Arduino board, breadboard, buzzer and connecting wires, rain sensor, etc.
At first, the sensing pad has to connect to the sensor. The sensor is the main component in the circuit. The sensor should be connected to the power supply through the wires. Arduino has 4 pins. They are VCC, GND, AOut and DOut. VCC means power supply pin of the rain. 5 volts power supply. GND means ground pin of the Arduino should be connected to it. And AOut means analog output, gives us a analog signal between VCC and GND. DOut means digital output pin, gives us a output low indicated rain is detected. Both the pins of the rain module are VCC and GND are connected to the 5 volts power supply.
Connect the rain detecting sensor to the timer circuit and the buzzer. The circuit sensitivity can be adjusted through a variable resistor. Once the rain falls onto the sensor strips, then the circuit will be activated because water is a great electricity conductor. The water on the sensor. It starts to sound the buzzer, and when that the sensor, the buzzer comes down.
The raindrop detector can be used in the irrigation field, automation of the homes and auto communication of the communicator. Thank you.